Baba sa 11 ang hinahabol ng Barangay Kuambugan. Dapat pa nilang higpitan ang kanilang depensa dito. And a traveling violation turnover. Ito na! Timeout Kanukutan. This timeout is brought to us by Aldo Youth, by Congressman Alan Aldo Duhali. Thank you for watching this ball game. It's brought to us by the city government of Tagum. Make 5 minutes and 35. A chance to may babasa 1 digit in Kalamangan. Mintes Basa.
Guys,
Lizardo intercepted, recover by Embarque, 2 points. Now 9 points na lang. There's still time. People chanting defense. What a defense by Sebastian. And kabilangan shot! Rebound! By Lizardo. Basa with the ball. Lizardo making a 3. Basa. Oh, winasiwas pa. Hindi niya nakita si Embarque. Oh, what a pass to boys. Akabal. Sayang. No need for fancy layup. They need to pass the ball sa mga bakante. And Basa missed Embarque. Sebastian, 2 points. Dos Pilagay, Sugalante. Akabal. Rebound. Ay, Embarque. Ayun. Ayun yung sinasabi ko. Wala na arte-arte sa layup. Bigay na agad sa libre. Double goal. What a defense to Turake. Baturake, composed pa rin. Nice cut by block! Eto na! Wabugan! Basa with the ball. Basa, 4-3. Ball! Basa! Basa! Natatlo! Para shot! Pati shot by Basa! Basa tatlo! Ang Kalamangan! This guy is special! Under pressure! He needs to step up! Darada! Nagsasayo na si Ante! Tatlo na lang po! Time remaining, 1 minute and 38. No timeout for Kanukutan. Tatlo na lang. Ay, ang steal by Basa! Basa! Bala! Ay, ang buka! Tingnan natin yung replay! again to Rocky. Not happy on that goal. Te, ikaw na ako padaog sa kumbugan, te. Grabe ka, wadaw ka naman ang pag-asa. Mga comment ba? Pasok. 80-78, 1 minute and 20. Wala lagi, wala. Time out. Tingnan natin. Masyadong laman at napapasahan. Sebastian, deflected out of bounds. Deflected out of bounds. Three-pointer, Basa. Miss, Bakiro with the ball. Out of bounds. So when they need 1 minute and 6. 1 minute and 6. Bola pa rin ang Kwambugan. Sebastian. Sebastian. Eto. Two-pointer. Agaw na bola. Well, rebound by Kapilangan. Seconds to play. Ay foul na. Sebastian. Kaya wag. Isa na lang. Pili na lang siya. 1 point lead. Nalod. Nalogin na lang ako. MVP ka, ti. Sige, ti. Dali. Sige lang. Ay, Abilian, sorry. Asa, step back, three-pointer. For the lead. Agawa na rebound. Elizardo takes it, 7 seconds. Elizardo. Wala. Out of bounds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Let's see. What's the goal here?